This is the TCL 30XE 5G available through Metro by T-Mobile. This is Variety's Take, and make sure to subscribe for more videos here on the channel, and you can encourage me and give me a thumbs up. We're going to be doing unboxing and first look. So without any further ado, let's find out. And as the time I'm recording the video, the price of the phone's $199. Now if you want to buy the phone through Metro and you have a number active with a different carrier, you want to switch, the phone will be free. If you just want to start a new number, and we call this new activation, the phone costs you only $9.99. Now let's take a quick look on the main specifications. Starting with the display, we have IPS LCD with 90 Hz refresh rate, 6.5 inches with 720 by 1600 for the resolution. And remember guys, this is TCL, and also the phone is powered by Next Vision. It's same technology that TCL use in their smart TVs, which is gonna be a good quality display in my opinion, based on my experience with other TCL phones has the same technology. And as of right now, the phone has Android 11 with TCL UI. This is a custom UI, which is I'm gonna walk you through later on in this video. For the processor, we have MediaTek MT6833. In my opinion, MediaTek doesn't offer the best performance for the processor, but this is gonna be a 5G device. And we have internal memory 64 gigabytes and 4 gigabytes of RAM. The phone has 3 cameras on the back, 13 megapixel wide, and we have 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro. There is no ultra wide camera in this phone. Also, I'm looking forward to test the camera later on in this video. The video capability for this phone on the back camera will be 1080 at 30 fps. Unfortunately, there is no 60 fps or 4K for the video. The front facing camera will be 8 megapixel, same capability for the video as the back. And finally, we have a big battery, 4500, support fast charging with 18 watt, which is decent in my opinion. Now let's open the box and have the first look on the phone. The box is kind of a little bit big, so I'm expecting to see a charger comes in the box, which is good. Always want to see company through phone charger. I just don't want to see the phone without the charger, because why not? So take the box, and first you're going to see the phone itself and how's the phone's going to look. There we go. I just turned the phone on, how the phone's gonna look from the back. This is a plastic body, plastic frame, and this will be expected from a budget device like this TCL. And we will have the power key, volume up down key, and the fingerprint should be located on the back. And we have triple camera flash, and this is a C type, and it shows dual speaker. I might need to check the quality of that speaker. We have noise cancelling microphone, and we have a headphone jack. So let's set this on the side and try to look to the other content. So we have, I believe, some manual guides here and SIM ejector tool, as you guys can see. We can also set this on the side, and we have C-type cable, and we have the wall brick. That should be 18 watt of fast charging, which is good in my opinion, branded with TCL. Now we're gonna play with the phone and do some tests for the camera, the screen, performance, and we're gonna come back with more information. Now, after spending some time with the phone, let's kick off with the design and the build construction. As expected from any budget phone to be made out of plastic, and no exception here for the TCL. It has a plastic back and it has a plastic frame. I mean, I'm fine with this because the phone price is not too high, but the only things I have big complaint of will be the location, where's the keys, and how tiny the power key and the volume up control, something very annoying in my opinion. Also, this phone is not coated with any waterproof or water resistance, so stay away from all the liquids. Generally speaking about the design, I'm not really satisfied with the build construction and the quality and the design itself, but for someone who wants affordable phone, maybe they don't have much complaint. The phone has fingerprint located on the back of the phone, and the truth is this fingerprint work perfect, very fast and very accurate, and I don't think so you're gonna have any complaint with the fingerprint. So if you don't like fingerprint, also the phone will give you option to set up face unlock. Now when we speak about the display, TCL makes very good TVs and they are very specialist and experts making display, and no exception for their smartphone. This phone has also the next vision technology, which is enable you from changing the temperature of the colors on the display and make it more vivid, more bright. To be honest with you, despite the fact of all the low specification for the display, in my opinion the display works great. I don't have a problem in the brightness level or the color vivid or the angle view, even with the low specification. So good job TCL for a good displays. Now for the operating system, the phone is still powered by Android 11, and as I said, with the phone that has custom UI, it takes a while to receive software update for another version. But for some people willing to have a lot of features on the phone, TCL will offer you so many features. Now if we just take a look on the shortcut here, you guys gonna see so many features this phone offer. For instance, it has mini notification. I'm just gonna show you the new features this phone offer you, distinguish this phone from other Android phone. Also the phone has one hand use. You can just enable this as feature from the shortcut. You can take a screenshot, you can do screen recording, and it has also data saver, which is, this phone has plenty of features to offer you. And also if you go to the main screen, the phone has application pre-installed called Optimizer. Once you click on the optimizer, the phone will kill all the cache and the junk file in the phone and space up the phone. For someone wants features, wants a lot of things to do with the phone, maybe this UI will be perfect, but you need to understand that kind of software make the experience not the best experience of the operating system. For me, I always prefer stock Android because it will be more smooth and more snappy. Well, for someone who doesn't really care about this, that would be a perfect fit. Now for the internal hardware and the performance of this phone, in my opinion, this will be good for someone who doesn't want to push the phone to high limits, doesn't want to play high graphics games. If you want to play like video games that doesn't require much graphics, or you want to do social media apps, take pictures, this will be perfect in my opinion. Other than that, you cannot push MediaTek processor for a high limit. Other than that, the phone will struggle. 4 GB of RAM, in my opinion, decent for that phone, and 64 GB is decent room to download your apps in games. You guys not gonna expect to do so much with the phone. If you are, you need to go or consider another device than this one. Now for the battery performance, for a medium or regular user, you guys gonna expect up to 10 to 12 hours screen on time. Day and a half may last, it depends on how you use the phone. In general, I was not very happy with the battery performance. I still prefer Motorola about how they treat the phone with the battery, but it's decent in my opinion. It's not terrible, but it's not the best. Now finally, we're going to speak about the camera, triple camera on the back, and my experience in the camera is not too shabby, especially if you have low light or dark or night. This phone will struggle a lot and it's not going to give you the best experience. Taking pictures outside, it will be decent. You're going to have good pictures. As far as the low start to drop, you're going to have all kind of problems. Also, I have noticed colors temperature in the picture is not so good. If you're surrounded with different colors lights, this will be mixed with the picture and you're not gonna have the best experience. Other than that, the phone offers slow motion, macro up to 2x zoom. Even after like zooming 2x, I didn't see the best performance of the pictures. Still crop the picture. So in my opinion, if you're looking for a phone, stay away from this phone for the camera performance. A front facing camera is decent, works outside nice. As far as you go low light, the phone will start struggle. Portrait mode is available, and as I said, TCL push so much features, but they don't really care about the quality at the end. Now, do I really recommend this phone? I would. If you go to Metro, get the phone for $10 as a new customer or free when you switch. Even you can consider other phones with Metro by T-Mobile, you can get them for free. I'll leave this up to you, but in my opinion, if I'm buying this phone as retail price, paying $200, I would definitely stay away from this phone. That was very much it. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos here on Variety Stick, and we'll talk to you in the next video.